Hey everyone, it's Bud. Today I'm doing the next bit of my tank. I haven't got long at all, like 5.5 minutes if that. So yeah, I'm going to get cracking. I will do this while I was talking. Bollocks, I need to do my glue, fuck. Yeah. I will be uploading some more videos, because my mum's mate gave me some Airfix kits the other day. So I'll be building them. Well, one will be probably a build vid, the other I'll just build because I've already built it on my channel. One's the Pavia Tornado, and the other is a Gant RAF Red Arrow. So yeah, I mean, sorry for not uploading recently. Can't help it, I've been away last week. I haven't touched my tank since that last video actually. Today's actually the first time on my tank. Sorry I've taken it off camera guys, it's just really little fiddly. So yeah. Where did that last piece go? Fuck, no. Bollocks. I will be back. Oh no, it's there, never mind. I mean, which way does this go on? I've got no clue what this is actually. Utensil. Hey, I'm actually going to have to see if anybody knows what any of this is. I've got a feeling this is an axe slash a shovel. I've got no clue what that is. But yeah, so that's all I've got time for today. Like I said, sorry. If I had more time, I would do the other one. I might do the other one later. But the next video is me doing the machine guns and fixing up a hole, putting the person in, doing the interior. It's not any like nice interior, it's just small-ish interior. But yeah, so yeah, that's the video. Sorry it's quite short. Yeah, I mean, next video is either going to be my tank, inbox or concorde. I'm not sure. But yeah, I will see you later. Bye.